Hi everyone, Yvette here with Together Sisters Create. I have two more FlexCover minis for you. These are, I used Kathy King's tutorial from Paper Phenomenon. This is the original that fits in the football that she made, the 3D football. And then I took the measurements and I made a bigger version that holds 4x6 photos. So I will start with the little one. And the paper that I used is from Echo Park, and it's Fashionista, and it looks like this. So the mini, I used the 6x6 with one sheet of the 12x12s for the cover, and then the big one I used the 12x12 collection. So this is the mini, and it measures about 6 by 3.5, and I used a piece of die cut. I also bought the ephemera pack to go with it, and I used that here and popped it up on a few layers of cardstock. And then on the inside here is a couple tags from the paper collection. And then I did a tag here. Now Kathy's original has a Tyvek envelope here, but I used cardstock. And I also used cardstock in my spine for my hinge, and I liked it better than the Tyvek because the Tyvek's very slippery and hard to keep straight. So it does work with cardstock. This is using her regular hinge system, so did a little bit of collage there with some ephemera from the package and some die cuts, and then we start with the 3x4s here, and then this is some Project Life cards that I had, and it says this photograph. So a little bit of room for journaling and some photos, and you can definitely put a photo here if you want. Again, I'm going to teach this little mini album at the Scrapbook Cottage in Winnipeg in April. So if you're interested, please call the store and you can reserve your spot. Pocket page there, 3x4s, a 2x3, and here I left some room for you to put the photo in behind there. This says today, and that opens like that. And then if you flip it over, it's those two, the pocket page. Goes together fairly quickly. We will do this on a Friday night for a class. I really like these little ones. They make a nice gift and they're quick. You can fit in your purse for a little brag book. And if you have the photos, you wouldn't put the white photo mats, you would just put your photos right in there. Pocket page there, magnet here, another little tag there, and a couple more tags from the ephemera pack. And that goes in there, and then that's the back. And then this is the larger version. So there's a pocket here, pocket here, and here you can put your picture behind there. And then there's the back. Another pocket page here. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit here. Oh, I forgot a little piece there. A quote from the 4x4 cutouts from the paper collection. Another pocket page here. Ephemera from the die cut pieces. I love the paper with the makeup and the lipstick. Another quote there. Another quote there. These are all 4x4s from the paper collection. Two by three or 3x3s there. Another card from the, and this one too. Another pocket page here. It has 5 pages. Forgot a one here too. Pocket page. Another pocket page here. Magnet closure, and then a pocket page in the back, and then there's the back. So this is the large one, and then this is the mini, and I hope you like them. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you soon. I will also give you guys a sneak peek at what I'm working on. I am working on Kathy's this is Holiday Kit Club, Holiday Kit Club 2, and it was the Cauldron project. So I'm just making the mini album. This is an 8.5 by 8.5 mini, and this will also, I will also be teaching this at the Scrapbook Cottage. So if you're interested, please contact them. They will give you a date when this is going to get. And yeah, it's not matted yet, but I'm ready to mat it. So this is also something I'm working on. And the other thing I'm working on is my photo folio, the bonus photo folio for the photo folios, the first series that I'm teaching. And this is, I call it number 7 because it's the bonus one. It's not quite finished, but this is what it's looking like so far. Again, if you're interested, please phone the store and book a spot right away because they need to order these Tim Holtz photo folios, and I'm not sure they're going to be available much longer. So there's some pockets here, photo mat, and then there's an envelope here. Again, I'm not done matting this, so I just want to give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek. And then here is a layout. So there's the top, there's the bottom, and then there's photos there. This is a belly band, and then it flips into the first photo folio. So there's one flip, another flip, and then the third one, and then a nice image here. This is using the paper collection from Tim Holtz called Wallflower. And then there's another one here. Again, I'll give you guys a better video when I get it all finished and matted. So anyways, this is just a sneak peek of Photo Folio 7. So if you are interested, please call right away because they will need to order these photo folios. And hopefully they can still get them all. So anyways, there you go. That is all I have to show you. And thanks for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.